Weekly healthy dinner, Sunday. Grilled fish with vegetable salad and vinaigrette. There are many advantages to dining on grilled fish with vegetable salad and vinaigrette. High-quality protein source. Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for the growth and repair of muscles and body tissues. Omega-3. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can improve heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Vegetable source. Vegetable salad is a good source of fresh vegetables, which can improve overall health. Low in saturated fat. This dish is low in saturated fat, which can prevent cholesterol and the risk of cardiovascular disease. Improves digestion. Vegetable salad is a good source of fiber, which can help improve digestion and prevent heart disease. Source of vitamins and minerals. Vegetable salad is a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and iron. Stress reduction. Eating a full, balanced meal for dinner can help reduce stress and anxiety before bed, which can improve sleep quality. Easy to make. This dish is easy to make and requires little time. Customizable. Different vegetables and spices can be added to the salad to vary the flavor and keep it interesting. Low calorie. This dish is low in calories, making it suitable for those looking to control their caloric intake. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.